Do it. We're recording it. Let's count it.
Do it. Do it.
I lost.
Yeah, yeah. We can see that.
You won.
How do you feel about losing, though?
Where's this chug-a-meter at? Chug-a-meter. You suck, disgraceful fat ass.
Dude, everybody knows. Everyone's going to see how long it takes you to do this shit. This is going...
You got it. Come on. Go.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Don't stop.
Throw it back. Throw it back. Oh, you're sipping now.
Go. Sipping like a bitch.
Oh, hell yeah. I can see through the shadow how much beer you're drinking.
I'm already throwing up. I'm already.
So you guys up for another game after this?
Yeah. Another what? Another game?
So, what up? I see you.
Dude.
You're not done yet?
Dude, come on, dude.
I'm running out of battery here, dog. Come on. Just kidding. Any day now. Any day now. Andrew, you're gonna play another game, right?
This is a vegan song.
Finish it? How do you feel?
A pagan blanket. Yeah, it's funny because that's like a food.
Alright, put it back. Let's do this again. Run it back. Run it back.
Hey, wait, don't fucking